Come test drive the 2019 Passport. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, armrests, dual front, cargo area light, trip odometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.